Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by capturing audio with constraints so degradation is intentional. Open your recording app and set mono, then lower sample rate to 8 kHz 05 kHz, choose a low bitrate like 3264 kbps. Once done, reduce microphone gain and turn off noise reduction or automatic leveling. You can also introduce distant room noise or mild wind to mask clarity. These steps shape the raw signal so later effects will produce authentic mobile low-quality sound. Don't overprocess yet. Capture the limited source first. Now you'll sculpt artifacts that mimic old or low-bandwidth mobile audio. Apply a bandpass filter, cut below 300 Hz and above 4 kHz to emulate telephone bandwidth, then add mild compression to squish dynamics and reveal noise. Next, resample or export at the low sample rate and low bitrate you chose earlier. To taste, add light distortion or a bit crusher for digital glitchiness, and use a telephone EQ curve to emphasize midrange. Make small changes, compare, and adjust so speech remains intelligible but degraded. Finish by exporting using a realistic mobile codec, MP3 or OCC at the low bitrate you want, then test playback on actual phone speakers and earbuds. If the voice is too thin, gently boost 801, 200 Hz. If it's overly noisy or harsh, lower input gain or apply narrow notch filters to tame resonant spikes. Once done, keep an untouched high-quality master so you can re-export different settings quickly. If things go wrong, compare with the master and adjust sample rate or bitrate to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.